What is happening, guys? So today in this video we're going to be talking about the ATC system, what's included and all of that stuff, and the prices. Full-on blown kit for everything that you need to get going with 4 ISO 20 tool holders, the ER20 collets, so you'll get 4 of these tool holders. You'll also get 4 of the plastic tool rack things that you can mount to your table that actually are spring-loaded. But you'll get 4 of those, 4 of these ISO 20 tool holders, and you'll get 4 ER20 collets. It'll come with an 1/8 inch, a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch, and that's what will come with the full kit. The full-blown kit is going to be $3,500, and the upgrade kit, if you already have my spindle kit, is going to be $2,800. With that being said, because the video's got traction, a lot of you guys seem to be interested, I keep getting messages and stuff, we're going to have a 1-week sale. So once we post this, which should be in 1 to 2 weeks, and I'll make a video saying it's live. We've been already selling an ATC kit that we recently stopped selling because of price, and we're changing things. We're actually the first to actually start selling an ATC system for the Onefinity Elite. With all of that being said, we weren't going to do a pre-order launch because we've already been selling systems. But with this, we're going to do like a sale launch, I guess, because we did change spindle manufacturers. We're going to be selling the full plug-and-play system, everything that you need, for $3,300, and the upgrade kit, if you already have my spindle system, for $2,600, and that will run for 1 week. And so we're super excited. So let's go ahead and dive into this video. We got a bunch of tool changes in here. We're going to be cutting some solid surface. I'm going to be running 0 flutes. I got an 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch. I got a chamfer bit, which is a 90-degree V-bit. And then we're going to be doing some chamfers. We're going to do all kinds of stuff in this. And we're going to have it in manual mode, so I can just swap to the tools manually. And yeah, so let's go ahead and check out this thing cut. Oh, we're also going to use the Raptor dust boot, which also does work with the tool rack, by the way. If anybody is wondering, there is a video right here showing you that all of my dust boots do work with the ATC system. Now it's prompting us to do a tool change, and it's asking for the 1/4 inch 0 flute. So we're just going to press the button, eject that tool. We can let go of the button or hold on to it, doesn't matter. We're going to open it up again, insert the new tool. It's locked in, and we're going to go ahead and put the dust boot back on. Now it's going to prompt us to tool change. So that is essentially the SolaFideDesigns ATC demo. I wanted to use this breadboard to kind of show you guys the capability and just how easy it is. Now obviously I didn't use a full video of this, otherwise this video would be extremely long, but I wanted to show you guys a couple tool changes and things like that. So this is a breadboard that I made for my wife. I cut 2 of them out. The first one, all the audio and everything came out great. The second one, all the video and stuff got messed up. I'm not even sure what happened. This is the second one. The first one, my wife did not like how small the notches were and things like that, so I had to go through and adjust it. But let's just talk about the tool paths. So we did a 90-degree V-bit to chamfer the inside of the pocket, outside of the actual breadboard, and the circle. And then we came through and chamfered each one of these notches. Then we swapped to a 0 flute and 1/4 inch, and we pocketed this whole thing out, and then we did a finishing pass on this pocket. And then we took that same 0 flute and we did these notches, and we went slightly deeper than the pocket, so that way our knife could go past the bread easier when we're going to cut it. And then we came through and we cut the entire thing out with a an 1/8 inch 0 flute. And I've done 0 sanding on this. I just wanted to kind of show you what it is, and there's a couple tool changes in the actual video footage, but I just wanted to show you what the ATC system is capable of and how much quicker it can make things, and just how much easier it is. It's really nice not having to fiddle with wrenches and then re-zeroing or tool setting. You just set up your tools, you touch off all your tools, and then the next day all you got to do is zero in the 1 end mill, and then you're off to the races swapping tools in and out. Really nice. But I just wanted to kind of show you, if I thought this would be a good product to show you on, like the solid surface breadboard. And I think it turned out really good. I like it. There is an issue with it, and I went and asked my wife, I was like, hey, you see something wrong with this? And she's like, no. I'm like, you don't see anything wrong with this? She's like, no. I'm like, anything now? And she's like, I mean, now that you're pointing it out, yeah, it looks a little off. My hole on my file was slightly off, and so my hole is not centered. And I pulled this off and I'm like, what? My Lantis, what is this? And so I need to fix the file, but she would have never noticed if I didn't point it out. So other than that, I'm really happy with it, and if you guys have any questions, please leave some comments down below. I will do my best to respond to you, and I really appreciate all the support you guys have given us, and take care. God bless you.